So, you want to run Android apps on your PC, but you're completely done dealing with traditional emulators that cause lagging, random crashes, and constant system freezes. I hear you. Today, I'm showing you a brilliant method to get full access to the Google Play Store right on your desktop without touching a heavy third-party emulator. This means you can download your favorite apps, play games, and manage your social media exactly like you would on a physical smartphone, completely natively. Without wasting any time, let's jump straight into the setup, finding the Community WSA package. First, open your browser and search Google for Windows Subsystem for Android. You'll see several official documentation links, but you need to bypass those and look specifically for the community-maintained WSA builds GitHub repository. Once you click onto the GitHub page, scroll past the documentation down to the latest releases section. Here is a crucial tip: avoid any downloads labeled as pre-release. Those are experimental developer builds and are highly unstable. Stick strictly to the releases marked with the green stable tag. For this tutorial, I'm selecting the Windows 11X stable build. Click on that release and scroll all the way to the bottom of the page to reveal the assets dropdown, downloading the right pack and OS compatibility. Inside the assets list, you will see a few different variations of the software. You want to locate and download the specific package that includes MindTheGapps and has the Amazon App Store removed. This is typically the very first file in the list and will be compressed in a zip format. As far as system compatibility goes, this project is optimized natively for Windows 11. However, if you are running Windows 10 version 2 H1 or later, the community notes right here confirm that it will still deploy successfully on your machine. While that file downloads, there is one quick Windows configuration we need to toggle to prepare your system: enabling Virtual Machine Platform. Go ahead and hit your Windows search bar, type in Turn Windows Features On or Off, and press Enter. A small system configuration window will appear on your screen. Scroll down through this list until you locate the option labeled Virtual Machine Platform. If the checkbox to it is blank, make sure to check it, click OK, and let Windows install the required hypervisor files. Pro tip: you must restart your computer immediately after this step. This build is the #1 reason people run into catastrophic errors during the installation process: extraction and running the admin script. Once your PC boots back up, navigate to your Downloads folder. Right-click the downloaded zip archive and extract its contents using 7-zip. While other extraction utilities might work, they occasionally cause file path corruptions with deep directory structures, so sticking with 7-zip guarantees a smooth process. Open up the newly extracted folder and look for a file named run.bat. Instead of double-clicking it, right-click the file and select Run as administrator. This action automatically triggers a background PowerShell script that handles the heavy lifting, alignment, and registry configurations for you. Just give it a brief moment to process the initial commands. Toggling developer mode and finalizing installation. During the automated process, a couple of windows will pop up on your screen. The primary one will be the Windows Subsystem for Android Settings dashboard. Inside this menu, navigate to the Advanced Settings tab on the left sidebar and toggle developer mode to on. This is a vital step because it unlocks your ability to manually sideload third-party app files later on if an app isn't available on the store. Once that toggle is active, close out the Settings dashboard. Bring your PowerShell window back into focus. It will be waiting for your input. Press any key on your keyboard and it will close out automatically. Immediately after, a final Windows system prompt will ask for permission to continue the deployment. Click Continue and the subsystem will finalize its local machine installation. Launching the Google Play Store. As soon as the setup wizard finishes, open the subsystem dashboard one more time and check the Apps section. You will see that the official Google Play Store is now fully integrated into your Windows environment. To launch it, you don't even need to open a separate manager. Just tap your Windows key, type Play Store directly into your native Start menu, and launch it like a normal desktop application. The very first time you boot it up, you'll be prompted to sign in with your standard Google account credentials. Once you complete the secure login, the entire Android application library is completely unlocked right on your desktop. Testing, performance limitations, and outro. To show you how responsive this is, I'm downloading a lightweight mobile game to run a quick performance test. Now, there are two important things you need to keep in mind before you start gaming. While this method is incomparably smoother than any clunky emulator out there, it runs on native virtualization, meaning it does not include built-in keyboard key mapping overlays. If you plan on playing highly complex competitive games that require intricate touch controls, you might struggle without a touchscreen or a controller. Every app you download from this point forward will automatically create its own individual shortcut right in your Windows Start menu, letting you launch them instantly. That wraps it up for today's guide. If this tutorial helped you get rid of laggy emulators, smash that like button. If you run into any snags during the setup, drop a line in the comments down below and the community will help you troubleshoot. Take care, and I will catch you all in the next video.